This is not financial nor professional advice. This is entertainment only. If your summer has been anything like mine, investing in growth stocks has you singing the blues. Today, I'm going to go over some safe stocks off my list of 21 hot stocks. And it's interesting. I sorted the list, and I think I have 6 safe stocks, 10 that are sort of holds, and probably something you should wait for the market to start going up significantly before investing in, and then about 5 of them that you want to sell or wait until the market is roaring hot and you have so much money you don't know what to do with it and you just need to put it into something. I put the list of hot stocks that are safe at the end of this video with a rating that shows how much they are considered safe for the current environment. It's surprising that Moderna is considered a safe stock. You say to yourself, what? That thing has been all over the place. If we look at the chart, we've seen, at least my experience with it the last couple of months, I bought it at 350 and it went to, and then I sold it at about 430 and then it went down, and of course I had to buy it at 380, and then I sold it recently at about 450, and then I got back into it at about 425, 430, somewhere in there. But there's reasons why this stock is considered sort of safe. They have an amazing breakthrough product, but it is based on a technology that can be used to solve other problems and other health challenges. And so I think this is the first in a long line of products we're going to see that are based on the RNA technology. And I think I've actually seen it referred to as a stock to hold for the next 10 years. And hopefully that's what I'm going to do now, since I've kind of rode the Bronco for a couple months here, and I'm hoping that it settles down, and hopefully some of the information I'll give you today will help you to settle down with it. I've already done a video on Moderna in which I described their massive pipeline and things that we can hope for in the future that are likely to happen, and they're likely to be highly effective too. There's something about this RNA technology that seems to really work. So VectorVest gives it an overall rating of 1.6, and that is very high in my experience with their ratings. Anything over 1.25 or so could be considered a buy. There is some subjectivity there. They don't hold strictly to the numbers. I've seen some things that didn't have that good of ratings marked up, and some things that had good ratings marked down somewhat, but they considered it a strong buy and listed at the top of their generally good stocks. The next stock I've put major money into is Nvidia. And as you look at the chart, you can see that it started to pop up in the middle of August and kept going up into September. But it's kind of leveled out and more or less has been kind of doing nothing for the last week or 10 days or so. I'm not worried about it. This company is responsible for all the computer graphics, nearly all the computer graphics. Advanced Micro Devices is in second place, and I think Advanced Micro Devices does like 5 to 10%, and Nvidia does most of the rest. So it's doing like 90% of all the computer graphics. So I don't think we have anything to worry about. Its big seller is gaming cards and gaming equipment. Uh, it's interesting that that's the same equipment that they use to do Bitcoin mining, and so sometimes the gamers can't get a hold of their Nvidia equipment because the miners have bought everything. The miners can get quite possessive about getting the NVIDIA equipment, and as this T-shirt shows, they can be quite insistent upon having the necessary equipment to do their mining, which does cut out the gamers. Sometimes the gamers haven't been able to buy the equipment they want because the miners have bought it all. But I think Bitcoin will always be mined, probably because that's so unlikely to be hacked. There's been improvements to the other cryptos like Cardano and Ethereum 2.0 that's coming, where they get rid of proof of work so that you don't have to mine it. And it's going towards proof of stake, which doesn't require mining essentially. But I think Bitcoin will probably always have the mining, simply because if you have $1 billion and you want to put it into some crypto, you're probably going to put it into Bitcoin because it's least likely to be hacked. In many ways, I like Nvidia's rating better than Moderna's in some ways. Moderna got a higher overall rating simply because their upside potential was so outrageous, but their safety was kind of in the caution area, whereas Nvidia has a green safety, they have green upside potential, they got a good timing. This is a stock that is going places and is going there on a solid basis. With artificial intelligence and the need for graphics and their domination of computer graphics, I don't think we have anything to worry about. And sometimes it helps to get away from all the charts and numbers and actually look at a company's products. I thought I would go on Amazon and just look at what the price for miner equipment or gaming equipment from NVIDIA, how much would it cost? And you run into, 900, 1,000, 2,000, some of them are 5,000. Boy, you could buy a really nice laptop for some of the prices they're getting on these accessories. Is mining really that profitable? Maybe I should look into it. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you for watching, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so that you receive future videos, as I'll be coming out with more videos of safe stocks to buy in a pullback. I think we're in a bearish mode now. I think we might be pulling out of it, but you never know. We could be going up just to have a lower low. So you just never know. And that's why I'm taking it as I'm going into the safest things and holding back on buying on the more speculative things until things get truly hot again. And here's the list of safe hot stocks for the current environment. I've gone over NVIDIA and Moderna in this video, and I'll be covering the other four in future videos.